Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can achieve the dark aesthetic effect in PicsArt. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open your PicsArt, click on the plus button, and you can select a photo. We are going to use this one. So the first thing you want to do is click on effects, and you can search for B and W right after effects, the black and white, and we are going to go ahead and select a black and white first. So you can select this one. There's different variations with different contrasts. The next thing you are going to do is click on apply, and we are going to go ahead and scroll our screen and select sticker. Select sticker, and we are going to search for aesthetic captions. Go ahead and search for aesthetic captions, and you can select one, any, and we are going to drag it right around here, the screen, and you're going to select apply. Now the next thing you're going to do is go back to effects, and we are going to go to blur. Go ahead and select blur, and we are going to look for a type of blur. You can select the aesthetic blur, but it's going to work in a premium account. I am going to use this one, and I am going to select apply, and the next thing is to go back to simple, and I am going to look for sharpen. And I am going to sharpen my photo, and I can increase it or I can decrease it, and it is fine. Yeah, right around there. And look at that, guys. That is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.